Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to guide you how to check who didn't accept your Instagram friend request. So, let's dive right in. Step 1. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Step 2. Tap the three lines in the top right corner and then tap Your Activity. Step 3. Scroll down and from there, tap on Download your information. Proceed to download or transfer the information. Select any account, tap Next, and then tap on Some of your information. Step 4. Scroll down to select Followers and Following. Download this to your device and create a file. Enter your email and password, tap the Continue button, and initiate the download. Step 5. Once the download is complete, which can take up to 48 hours, you'll receive an email with a link to download your data. Step 6. Look for the Connections folder and open the Followers and Following folder. Step 7. Tap on Followers to check your followers list, then scroll down and click Done. Step 8. Next, tap on Following to check your following list. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.